I feel like I'm gonna die with all this country music. It's so sad. Oh, wow.
My music.
Hold on. What showed up today?
We're gonna blow it up again.
So this is, I think, the third time this ratchet's been out. They should put a production date on this somewhere. But this one was completely covered also. So it looks like they did maybe just a new piece. This is new.
Are you sure that's just not a new ratchet?
Well, this is the one the motor burned out. So they did a new piece here, right? Old piece there.
How much did that cost?
This was free. And then they replaced the motor assembly.
What about the other one that I broke using as a breaker bar?
They fixed that one too. It's like, where's all my ratchets? Where's all my ratchets? Snap-on's doing a better job with their warranty program.